All right, today we're going to work on the line tool, and there are a few different ways you can get there. Number one is up here in your toolbar. You can just click on the pencil, or for your tool palette, which is this is the large one that I talked about in a previous video, you can click on the pencil here. But the best way to do it is to just click L for line, and there you go. It brings up the pencil tool. So I'm going to scroll in here just a little bit. And the biggest thing that the line tool does, is it makes a line. It's very, very basic, yes, but it comes in handy for a lot of different things. Um, One thing that newbies will struggle with is, if we go back here into the line tool, I am clicking and releasing the mouse. So as the mouse is released, see, no finger on the mouse, I'm going to move this around. Okay, that's the biggest thing. A lot of people want to click and drag. That's not how you operate things in SketchUp. So the other thing is down here in this corner, as I'm moving it, you can see that it is adjusting the length. And let's say I wanted to get it right at 7 inches. So you could sit here and creep and creep and creep. Chances are it's probably not going to snap to 7 inches. So what you can do is use your keyboard. And if I just go in the direction that I want, let's say I want to put it on this green line, which is my y-axis, all I have to do is start the direction I want it to go and click 7. Push enter, and it's going to put my line there at 7 inches. I know that is exactly 7 inches. Now, after I push enter, I'm still attached to this point. So if I wanted to, let's say I'm drawing a square and I bring it this way, it's going to snap automatically to this interface, which in this case is the x-axis. And let's say I wanted to bring this over 5 inches. Now, another thing that you might do starting out is you're going to bring this over and you're going to want to come down here and try to click in this space to enter your length. Don't do that. All you need to do is from that point, tell it what direction you want to go. In this case, we want it locked on the red axis, and I want to go another 7 inches. I'm going to click enter. Boom, it's there. Now, let's say I don't want to attach it anymore. All you simply have to do is push escape. And that's the little symbol for escape, apparently. One thing that I've started using quite a bit is, for basic shapes, it's really easy for it to snap to the axis that you want it to go. But I have learned that, for example, if I want it to snap to green and I'm over here kind of in the midst of everything, I'm just going to click the left arrow and it automatically will lock on to that axis. No matter where I go with it, it's locked on. If I click the right arrow, it's automatically locked on to the red axis. And if I click the up arrow, it's automatically connected to the Z or blue axis. So in this case, I want it to go this way, and let's just make a square. So I'm going to go 7, enter, and I'm still connected. And then I'm just going to connect them to finish off the shape. So the biggest takeaways from this video is, as a beginner, click and release. Once you release that mouse, the line is still going to follow your cursor. The other thing, type in your lengths. You do not need to try to get it perfectly at whatever dimension you need. And last is use your interfaces or the snapping points. It'll make everything so much easier. Hopefully you like this video. If you haven't seen my previous ones all about SketchUp, go look at them. I'm continuing to study and learn so I can teach you to become more sufficient with SketchUp. Also, if you're not subscribed, that would be awesome too. On to the next one.